Welcome to New Car Latest Update, where we deliver in-depth insights into the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today we're taking an exclusive look at the 2025 Volkswagen Caravelle T7, a modernized version of Volkswagen's iconic people mover. Combining sleek design, advanced technology, and unmatched practicality, the Caravelle T7 is designed to cater to families, businesses, and adventurers alike. Let's explore every detail of this versatile vehicle. The front view of the 2025 Volkswagen Caravelle T7 is bold and sophisticated, perfectly capturing the essence of modern Volkswagen design. The sleek LED headlights are sharply styled, seamlessly integrated into the front grille, which features horizontal chrome accents for a touch of elegance. The Volkswagen emblem at the center is illuminated, adding a futuristic vibe. The wide lower grille enhances airflow and provides a sporty touch, while the LED daytime running lights add functionality and style. The gently contoured hood and aerodynamic lines contribute to a contemporary and confident stance that's sure to turn heads on the road. The backside of the 2025 Volkswagen Caravelle T7 is designed with practicality and style in mind. The LED taillights stretch horizontally across the rear, creating a clean and dynamic look. The rear window is large, offering excellent visibility, while the integrated roof spoiler adds a sporty element. The Caravelle badge is prominently displayed in the center of the tailgate, just below the iconic Volkswagen emblem. A wide tailgate opens to reveal a spacious cargo area, perfect for carrying luggage, equipment, or anything else you need for your journey. The rear bumper is equipped with parking sensors and a protective skid plate, ensuring safety and durability. Interior view. The interior of the 2025 Volkswagen Caravelle T7 is a masterclass in comfort and functionality. Designed to accommodate up to 8 passengers, the cabin offers spacious seating with premium materials, including optional leather upholstery and contrast stitching. The dashboard is clean and modern, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system with Volkswagen's latest software, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, including navigation, vehicle stats, and driver assistance features. The second and third rows are highly versatile, with sliding and reclining capabilities to maximize comfort or cargo space as needed. Ambient lighting creates a calming atmosphere, while the advanced climate control system ensures a comfortable ride for all occupants. USB ports and wireless charging pads are conveniently placed throughout the cabin to keep devices powered on the go. From the right view, the 2025 Volkswagen Caravelle T7 showcases its sleek and practical silhouette. The elongated body emphasizes the vehicle's spaciousness, while the sharp character lines running from the headlights to the taillights add a sense of motion and dynamism. The large windows allow for excellent visibility and give the cabin an open, airy feel. Stylish alloy wheels, available in various sizes and finishes, add a touch of sophistication. The sliding door on this side provides easy access to the rear seats, making entry and exit effortless, even in tight spaces. This profile highlights the Caravelle's perfect blend of style and functionality. Lift view. From the lift view, the engineering brilliance of the 2025 Volkswagen Caravelle T7 becomes evident. The chassis is constructed using lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring a robust build while maintaining fuel efficiency. The advanced suspension system provides a smooth ride, even on uneven terrain, while the underbody is designed with aerodynamic efficiency in mind. Protective panels safeguard critical components from road debris, enhancing the vehicle's longevity. The exhaust system is neatly tucked away, contributing to the clean underbody design, while the strategic placement of the fuel tank and battery ensures optimal weight distribution for improved handling and stability. From this angle, the precision and care that went into the Caravelle T7's construction are clear. The 2025 Volkswagen Caravelle T7 is more than just a people mover. It's a versatile and stylish vehicle designed to meet the needs of modern drivers. From its striking front grille and sophisticated LED lighting to its spacious and tech-packed interior, every aspect of the Caravelle T7 is crafted with care and innovation. Whether you're using it for family trips, business, or adventure, the Caravelle T7 delivers on every front. Thank you for watching New Car Latest Update, and stay tuned for more comprehensive reviews and updates on the latest vehicles.